Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users prefer to use WhatsApp to chat within friends and family. Recently, some users posted in Apple's community complaining that the WhatsApp notification not working on their iPhones. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Turn on WhatsApp notification. You might check whether the option of allow notifications has been turned on, supposing that you can normally get notifications from other apps rather than WhatsApp. After upgrading to a new iOS version, all the original settings will be reset, including the app notifications. Thus, it is the first thing you need to do when you found the WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on notification. From here, find the WhatsApp option. Click on WhatsApp. From here, toggle 1 allow notifications. Solution 2. Enable WhatsApp sound. If you have enabled allow notifications for WhatsApp but still don't get any notification sound, you may have forgotten set it up from WhatsApp. Here's how to check or turn on sound for your WhatsApp notifications. Open the WhatsApp app. Go to Settings. Click on Notifications. Tap on Sound and choose the sound you like. Then click Save. Solution 3. Turn on airplane mode and turn it off. Airplane mode will turn off your iPhone's connection to all wireless networks, including Wi-Fi and cellular data as well as Bluetooth, GPS, etc. If you are enabled airplane mode on your iPhone, you won't be able to receive any WhatsApp messages, let alone the notifications. You can swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to reveal the control center and then check if the airplane mode is on. If airplane mode is on, you can tap the airplane icon to turn it off. If it is off, you can turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Solution 4. Check Do Not Disturb settings. Do Not Disturb option is helpful when you do not want to be interrupted. Any calls, alerts and notifications will not make any noise when the device is locked. However, the Do Not Disturb feature may be turned on unknowingly sometimes and thus cause your WhatsApp notification not working. Check whether there is a moon icon near the battery icon. The moon icon means that Do Not Disturb is activated. Solution 5. Check network connection. The WhatsApp messages and notifications might not work properly if your iPhone is connected to a poor network. Check the signal of Wi-Fi or cellular data from home screen. If it is of weak signal, you will need to switch it to a strong network that will allow WhatsApp messages and notifications to be received. If you are using Wi-Fi, try to turn off the Wi-Fi. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn it on. Also, you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router and or modem. If you are using cellular data, you can also turn it off for about 10 seconds and then turn it on. If necessary, you can navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset Network Settings to erase the old network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Solution 6. Force stop WhatsApp and restart iPhone. If the WhatsApp notification is still not working normally on your iPhone, force stop the WhatsApp and restart the device may help to fix the problem. On iPhone 8 or later, simply double-click the home button to display your recently used app and close the WhatsApp app. If you use an iPhone X or later, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. If you use an iPhone X or later, swipe up from the bottom of your home screen and pause in the middle. After that, restart your iPhone and then click if the notification working normally again. Solution 7. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. WhatsApp data may occupy large storage space and prevent the app from running properly. Sometimes the WhatsApp notification will not work or be delayed due to the cache files. In this case, the easiest and most fast-forward method to fix the notification issues is to delete and reinstall the WhatsApp application. Remember to back up important WhatsApp chat before the uninstallation. After backup, keep pressing the WhatsApp icon on your home screen until the app waggle. Then click minus to uninstall the app. Then search WhatsApp on Apple Store. Download and reinstall it on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up WhatsApp using your iPhone. Using your phone number and select restore if you don't want to restore chats from your backup. Solution 8. Update the WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of the WhatsApp app can also cause the notifications not working properly. If you don't want to delete and reinstall the app, you can do an app update to fix the error. To do that, just go to App Store. Tap Today, then tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to find WhatsApp. And tap Update next to it. Solution 9. Update the iOS to latest version. Apart from updating the WhatsApp app, it is also important to keep your iPhone's operating system up to date. In most cases, installing the latest iOS updates can help to fix glitches on your iPhone, including WhatsApp notifications not working problem. To update, open your Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, install and download it. Solution 10. Reset network setting. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset Network Setting to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.